Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Today we'll discuss about another mill. In the last previous video we have discussed about the ball mill, which is again very important from the examination point of view. And now today we'll discuss about the fluid energy mill, which is also called as a jet mill, also called as the microfibrous or ultra fine grinder, as we are getting a very fine powder by using this mill. Therefore the name it is given, that is the ultra fine grinder. First we'll discuss about the principle of this mill. Now this mill, it works on both the principle, that is the impact and the attrition. Impact and attrition, and as the material get reduced in the size by both the principle, that is the impact and the attrition, the feed, which is the feedstock, it is suspended within this mill in a very high velocity airstream, and due to that very high velocity of the air, the particles are going to collide on each other, and there will be collision between the suspended particle, and due to this collision the particles get impacted, and due to the attrition and impact we are getting the very fine size by using this fluid energy mill. Now you can see the diagram here. This is the diagram of a fluid energy mill. Now you can see here it consists of a loop of pipe. This is a loop of pipe, you can see here. This is a loop of pipe, generally 20 to 200 millimeter in diameter. The diameter of this loop of pipe, it is 20 to 200 millimeter in diameter, and the height of this pipe, it is 2 meters. Generally the height of this pipe, it is 2 meter in this. Now you can see here there is an inlet for the solid, there is an inlet for the feed. Through this inlet we are introducing the particles whose size we have to reduce. And see here there is an inlet for the fluid. Fluid means a gas, inert gas is going to be passed through this fluid inlet. Inert gas, it is passed with a very high speed. बहुत ज़्यादा हाई स्पीड के साथ ये इनर्ट गैस पास होता है, and through this inlet the solid is going to pass. So when the solid comes in contact with this very high speed gas, this solid particles, they get what we can say bombarded on each other, and they flow with a very high speed, and there is a very high degree of the turbulence, and impact and attrition occurs due to the high degree of this turbulence. And to this only here a classifier is attached. See here, to this a classifier is attached, so that when we get a proper size of the particle, a desired size of a particle, in that classifier the particles get collected. So this classifier, it is incorporated here to get a sufficiently fine powder. So here is a sieve is there. When we get a sufficiently fine powder, that fine powder will enter in this classifier, and through this there is an outlet, a very fine powder is collected here. और जब तक कि powder fine नहीं होती तब तक it is going to rotate in this loop. That particles are going to rotate in this loop, and there will be what we can say collision between the particles, and the particles will get reduced into the fine size. So this is about the working of this, of what we can say fluid energy mill. Now generally before entering, ये जो solid inlet है, तुम बोलोगे कि बहुत बड़े solids के particles भी हम लोग इसमें नहीं डाल सकते, ऐसा नहीं होता. We have to pre-treat the solid. We have to treat the solid up to 100 mesh. हमें पहले ही इसको size reduce करके 100 mesh का जो powder है, that powder is going to insert here. वो feed करके हम लोग inlet में इसे pass करेंगे. अगर बड़े feed डालोगे तो it will not what we can say flow with this air. वो एयर के साथ फ्लो नहीं होंगे. तुम्हें 100 मेश का प्री ट्रीटेड पाउडर बनाना पड़ेगा, एंड देन दैट पाउडर इज एंटर्ड इनटू दिस लूप, एंड देन 100 मेश का बनाने के बाद देन वी गेट अ फाइन साइज अप टू 5 माइक्रोमीटर साइज. उससे भी कम साइज के पार्टिकल्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फ्लूइड एनर्जी मिल. एंड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दिस मिल और आउटपुट ऑफ दिस मिल, it gives us 4 milligram per hour दिस इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दिस मिल. यू कैन इमेजिन कि 4 मिलीग्राम, एक घंटे में हमको सिर्फ 4 मिलीग्राम पाउडर मिल रहा है, मतलब उसकी कितना फाइन पाउडर हमें मिल रहा है. गेटिंग इट? So this is about the construction and working of this fluid energy mill, right? Now here we'll discuss about the advantages of this fluid energy mill. What are the advantages of this fluid energy mill? Before that, we'll go for the uses. It is used for the, what we can say, preparation of the antibiotic and vitamin powder, as we require it in a very fine size. Then moderately hard material can be processed फॉर साइज रिडक्शन. हम लोग मॉडरेटली हार्ड पार्टिकल, ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही फाइन अगर चाहिए तो ही. फॉर मॉडरेटली फाइन ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज दिस, एंड फॉर अल्ट्रा ग्राइंडिंग ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ द मटेरियल. उसको हम लोग वेरिएंट में बना सकते हैं, दैट इज द सेंट्रीफ्यूगल इम्पैक्ट पल्वराइजर, जो कि सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन पे एक्ट होता है, एंड वी गेट द फाइन पाउडर बाय यूजिंग दिस मिल. सी, यू कैन सी हियर this, by using this conveyor we are adding the powder and these particles with the help of the, this is the pulverization zone, और यहाँ से वो एयर के कांटेक्ट में आ रहे हैं एंड यहाँ से वो एग्जिट हो रहे हैं बाय यूजिंग द क्लासीफायर. सो दिस इज अबाउट द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग. एडवांटेजेस में सबसे पहला एडवांटेज है कि वी गेट अ वेरी फाइन पाउडर बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड. दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ द साइज रिडक्शन in which we get the finest size of the particle. Then expansion in other what we can say mills, there may be chances of the heating of the mill, and due to that heat sensitive material, there is a problem with the heat sensitive material that they cannot withstand that heat. So here there is no such question, as there is expansion of the gases, cooling effect we get. So here what, for heat sensitive material also we can use this mill. Then also there is size reduction by using the interparticulate attrition. So as the particles are going to bombard on each other, so there will not be question of what we can say abrasion, जैसे कि बॉल मिल में होता था कि because of the abrasion of the metal there may be chance of the contamination. This type of the abrasion will not occur, so very less chances of the contamination, as good as no chances of the contamination. Very sensitive materials also we can use by using this mill. We can reduce the size of very sensitive material, as we are passing inert gas here. Inert gases हम लोग यहाँ से pass कर रहे हैं, and again as we are using classifier here, so there is a good control on the product, what we can say size, कि uniform size of the product we are getting here. So this is about the, what we can say, fluid energy mill. This mill we can use for antibiotics like sulfonamides, vitamins and other powders also. So this is very important mill from the examination point of view. So if you like this lecture, you please do like, share and comment. You subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.